Let me start by saying something. You can make a woman miss you. And no, I'm not talking about playing childish games or pretending to be someone you're not. How we process attraction and how absence, confidence, and subtle influence. Here's the truth. Most guys spend too much time trying to convince a woman to like them. They overtext, overplan, overexplain, and what happens? She loses interest because women are wired to respond to men who have their own lives, their own confidence, and their own sense of value. Trying to chase her hard that rarely works. But if you know how to create space, emotional pull that women naturally feel toward men, they respect and find intriguing. I want to give you insight that goes deeper than generic advice. I'm going to talk to you like a woman who knows the patterns and who can tell you exactly what moves create that magnetic pull. This isn't about manipulation. It's about understanding human nature, female psychology, and the dynamics of attraction. By the end of this video, how your actions or inactions affect her subconscious, and how small strategic choices on your part can make a woman think about you. Even women who aren't currently interested in you can feel that magnetic pull when you step into the right mindset and behavior. So if you're ready to stop guessing, stop chasing, and start triggering genuine interest, I want you to pay close attention. Because the truth about making a woman miss you, it's about subtle. 1. The power of absence. Why pulling back sparks obsession. I'm going to tell you something. Most men completely misunderstand. Absence doesn't make the heart grow fonder. It makes her brain work harder. Let me explain. Women are wired to notice what's missing. When someone important suddenly isn't there, our minds start filling in the blanks, imagining the what-ifs, replaying moments, and wondering why we're thinking about them so much. And yes, that includes you. Think about this. Maybe you met a woman. There was chemistry, but she seemed distant, and you tried to overcompensate. You texted more, called more, maybe even tried to prove you're worth her time. Guess what happened? That attraction fizzled. But now imagine you pull back. You stop chasing, you get busy with your life, your goals, your friends. But you're not available 24/7. That's the trigger. Women notice absence in ways men rarely consider. When you're constantly present. But when you step back, suddenly she's thinking, where is he? Why isn't he around? Why does it feel empty when he's gone? That's when curiosity kicks in. I've seen it happen so many times. A guy I barely cared about suddenly disappeared. For a few weeks, no calls, no texts, nothing. And I started thinking about him constantly. I replayed moments we had wondered if he'd moved on. And yes, I missed him. That feeling came out of no